Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the Pictograph Infographic chart in Excel. If you see, we have two images over here along with the percentage value highlighted. If you change this percentage value over here, then the color automatically updates. And if you put it as 100%, it completely highlights the entire image. So we have used an image over here, and then we have highlighted that image according to the percentage which we have created. So how do we create this chart? Before that, you need to understand what are the images we are going to use. So if you see, we have first an image which is called as a silhouette image or a shadow image where the entire image is in black color. So if you see, I have two images which are entirely in black. And then we use an online tool and make sure this black portion which is there is made transparent. And then we just have this highlighted portion. Let me just make the chart small. And then we just have this highlighted portion where it is just an outline of the image. The inside portion is actually transparent. Since it's a white background, you will not be able to see it. But when we make our chart, you will understand it. So what we need to do is use an online tool and make this inside portion transparent. I'll show you how to do this. So let's proceed first to make our image. You first need to go to this website. I will provide the link of this website in the description box. Then you need to go to open image and upload your image. So I'll do that. I have uploaded my image, and then you see this portion over here which says wand select. Use the magic wand to select colors with similar color. Select that particular tool and then go inside the black portion and select it. So you see the entire black portion is selected. Then you go to file, edit and do cut. So now you see that black portion and you see this transparency. You see a grid type effect over here. That means the image has become transparent. Then you need to go and save this image. To download this image, you will need to do a registration on this website. And once you do a registration, you can do. And this site for free, I think it allows 3 images per day. And beyond that, you have to pay a subscription. So go ahead and download your file. I have already downloaded this file and we will use it into our project. So let's go to the next step. I have downloaded this image and I have put it onto my sheet. You can go ahead and just remove any extra images, spaces here by cropping the image. So do it as per your requirement. Don't crop it much. Leave some white space at the end of these images. Now what you need to do is select your data and insert a normal clustered bar chart. Clustered column chart. Then do format axis, do 0 and do 1. So you have from 0 to 100%. Then remove the grid lines, remove the axis, remove the title, and remove the axis from here also. Then do format data series and gap width, make it 0. So it's completely overlaps the area. It completely takes over the entire area. Just adjust your chart. Just go ahead and give any color which you want. For example, I am giving this pink color. And let us remove the grid lines from the chart sheet. Now, when you make the chart, there's a lot of adjustments you need to do to kind of overlap that image onto your chart. So first just make it a little broad, then go and copy your image and get it onto your chart. Now what you need to do is first just make it the same height as the image and just make the chart a little more bigger. First try with 100% so that it's completely filled. Adjust the image also completely. Now just put the image on. Now you see since it's transparent, it is completely showing that color. But you see we still have this white portion here. So that's what I mean, that you need to keep on adjusting it till you get the proper alignment where 100% is completely coloring. Now 100% is completely coloring. Let's try for 98%. If you see, it's very small, but I still think it needs a little more space. So let me just adjust it once again. Now let me try for 100%. It is good. Let me try it for 98%. A small portion is highlighted. Let me try for 45%. The 45% is highlighted. So you will continuously need to align the image on top of the column chart which you have created till you get the proper alignment of both the image with the chart. So try for different percentage variations. For example, when I earlier tried 98%, I did not get much of a gap here. So I adjusted my chart. So you need to continuously align your chart and your image so that you get the best representation of the percentage. You can use different kinds of images and get this particular chart. I will show you some different examples also. These are two additional examples which I have used. Icon of an image and an icon of a ballet dancer. It's completely dynamic. Let's put it at 100%. So you see, you can use these sort of images if you want to represent. For example, I want to say 45% of ballet dancers enroll, at the age of 2 or 3. So you can use this sort of image to kind of represent that particular metric. So you can use different kinds of images, but always remember, try to use a silhouette image which is in black. So if you just Google silhouette images of women, of men, of flowers, of fruits, you will get this image with completely black. And then you can remove the transparency of the black and then use these images in your particular charts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.